Welcome to Mighty Machines. Today we're delving into a pressing issue that showcases how these machines are shaping our planet, for better or worse. Imagine colossal excavators and towering bulldozers operating with precision, tearing through lush forests and transforming vibrant ecosystems into barren lands. These mighty machines are capable of remarkable feats, but here's the shocking part. Much of the land they clear remains unused after the trees are gone. A recent study uncovered that nearly half of the tropical forests cleared for agriculture between 2001 and 2015 were left untouched. No farming, no livestock, nothing. That's over 100 million hectares of land, an area equivalent to the size of Colombia, stripped bare for no apparent reason. Speculators often clear land hoping to sell it at a profit, while small-scale farmers may lack the resources to cultivate the land they've cleared. This misuse of advanced machinery leads to the unnecessary destruction of some of our planet's most vital ecosystems. Between 1990 and 2020, the world lost an astounding 420 million hectares of forest, according to the UN, a landmass roughly the size of the entire European Union. Countries like Brazil have seen over 90 million hectares of rainforest vanish. Other affected regions include Indonesia, the Democratic Republic of Congo, Angola, and parts of Tasmania. What's fueling this rampant deforestation? The primary culprit is agriculture, responsible for 80% of global deforestation. Logging, cattle ranching, development projects, wildfires, and fuel wood collection also play significant roles. These engineering marvels are designed to efficiently clear vast areas of land for crops and livestock. However, the land is often left idle or used unsustainably, leading to devastating impacts. Forests serve as carbon sinks, absorbing greenhouse gases and mitigating climate change. They are home to 80% of the world's terrestrial biodiversity and are essential for indigenous communities, providing food, shelter, and cultural identity. Forests also protect watersheds, maintaining water cycles and preventing soil erosion. Take the Amazon rainforest, for example, the world's largest rainforest, critical for global climate regulation. Yet we've lost 17% of it in the last 50 years. At this rate, scientists warn that the entire Amazon could collapse within the next half-century. This isn't just a local issue. The collapse could transform the rainforest into a dry savanna, releasing billions of tons of stored carbon into the atmosphere. The consequences would be felt worldwide, from São Paulo to Siberia. We're already experiencing the effects: erratic rainfall patterns, species extinction, displacement of indigenous tribes, and accelerated climate change. It's a vicious cycle. Hotter, drier conditions lead to more forest fires and tree die-offs, releasing more carbon and exacerbating global warming. Did you know that 15 to 30% of all timber sold globally is illegally harvested? That's $30 to $100 billion worth of timber each year. In regions like the Amazon and Southeast Asia, illegal logging can account for up to 90% of the timber industry. What's driving this crisis? Massive profits lure corrupt officials and criminal networks. Weak laws and enforcement in producing countries. High demand from major importers like the US, EU, China, and Japan. Certification programs, verifying legal and sustainable timber supply chains through initiatives like FSC certification. International cooperation. Countries collaborating to dismantle criminal networks behind illegal logging. Consumer education, encouraging people to avoid products linked to deforestation. Some countries are making progress, incorporating advanced machinery for sustainable forestry practices. However, illegal logging continues to threaten pristine forests and critical wildlife habitats in many regions. So, what role can mighty machines play in the solution? Sustainable machinery, developing equipment that minimizes environmental impact. Reforestation equipment, innovative machines designed for large-scale planting and restoration efforts. What can you do? Stay informed. Understand the environmental impact of machinery. Support sustainable technology. Advocate for and invest in machines designed with the planet in mind. Reduce and reuse. Lessen the demand for raw materials, thereby reducing the need for deforestation. Our mighty machines are more than just tools. They are extensions of human capability. When used responsibly, they can help build a sustainable future. Protecting our forests is not just an environmental issue, it's about ensuring that the power of our machines is harnessed for good. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of mighty machines. Comment below with your thoughts on how machines can be part of the solution. Let's ensure that our mighty machines help heal the planet, not harm it.